eMath, factors, exercises. List all the factors of the following numbers. Number, factor: 13, 22, 37, 56, 148, 150. Let's find the factors of these numbers. 13, 1 and 13, 22, 1, 2, 11 and 22, 37, 1 and 37, 56, 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28 and 56, 148, 1, 2, 4, 37, 74, 148, 150, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 25, 30, 50, 75, and 150. Remember that 13 and 37 are prime numbers. They both have only two factors. Only two factors, 1 and 13 and 1 and 37. They are prime numbers. Now let's find the products using the factors of the numbers being multiplied. 25 times 32, 15 times 48. $132 times 125, 64 times 175. Let's find the products. Let's look at the first one. 25 times 32. Let's try this one. Let's fill in the empty spaces to find the answer. 25 times 32, using the factors of 25, multiplying them by the factors of 32 for number 1. Number 2, 15 times 48, using the factors of 15, multiplying them with the factors of 48 to arrive at the answer. And number 3, 132 multiplied by 125, using the factors of 132 and the factors of 125. Let's multiply all of the factors to arrive at the answer. And number 4, we're going to multiply 64 by 175, using the factors of 64 and the factors of 175. Let's multiply them through to get the answer. Alright. Try it and let's see what you can come out with. So number 1, 25 times 32. The factors of 25, 5 times 5. The factors of 32, 2 times 2 times 8. So when you multiply through 5 times 2 times 5 times 2 times 8, we will have 10 times 10 times 8, which will finally give us 800. So multiplying 25 by 32, our answer will be 800. Number 2, 15 times 48. Factors of 15 are 5 and 3, and the factors of 48 here are 2 and 24. Why? Because we have one 5 out, so we will single out 2 to make it easier when multiplying. So 3 times 24 times 2 times 5, all in bracket. So we have 72 times 10, which will give us 720. Factors of 132 times 125. We will get 33 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5 times 5, which will give us 165 times 10 times 10. And the final answer will be 16,500. Number 4. 64 times 175. Factors of 64 are 16 times 2 times 2, all in bracket, times 7 times 5 times 5 for 175. And so 16 times 7 times 2 times 5 times 2 times 5 will give us 112 times 10 times 10, which will be equal to 11,200. Find the quotients using the factors of the divisors. Number 1. 588 divided by 49. Number 2. 810 divided by 54. Number 3. 1782 divided by 81. Number 4. 2,520 divided by 126. Let's find the quotients using the factors of the divisors. Let's give it a try. 49. Factors of 49. 54. Factors of 54. 81. The factors of 81. And then 126. The factors of 126. Number 1. 588 divided by 49. The factors of 49 are 7 times 7 will give us 49. So 588 divided by 7 will give us 84. 588 divided by 7 will give us 84. 84 divided by another 7 will give us 12. So the quotient for number 1 is 12. Number 2. 810 divided by 54. The factors of 54 are 9 times 6. So 9 and 6 are the factors of 54. So we divide 810 by 9. Then we will have 90. 90 divided by 6 will give us 15. So our answer for number 2 will be 15. Number 3. 1,782 divided by 81. The factors of 81 are 9 and 9. So we are going to use 9, these two factors, to divide 1782. So 1782 divided by 9 will give us 198. 198 divided by the second 9 will give us 22. So our quotient for number 3 is 22. Number 4. 2520 divided by 126. The factors of 126 will be 3 times 6 times 7. So 3, 6, and 7. 2520 divided by 3. The answer is 840. And then 840 divided by 6. The answer is 140. 140 divided by 7. The answer is 20. So 20 is our quotient for number 4. List all the factors of these numbers. Tick if these numbers are prime. 1, 7, 2, 18, 3, 29, 4, 41, 5, 57. Let's find out if they are prime numbers. 7, 1 and 7. 18. The factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. 29. The factors are 1 and 29. 41. The factors are 1 and 41. 57. The factors are 1, 3, 19, and 57. Now let's tick if they are prime numbers. 7. 7 is a prime number. The factors are 1 and 7. As we already know, prime number is a number that has only two factors. That is 1 and the number itself. 1 and the number itself. 18 is not a prime number. 29 is a prime number. 1 and 29. 41 is a prime number. 1 and 41. 57 is not a prime number. The factors are more than 2. Alright. List the following: all the prime numbers between 10 and 30, all the prime numbers between 31 and 50, and all the prime numbers that are also even numbers. So let's start with number 1. All the prime numbers between 10 and 30 are 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, and 29. These are the prime numbers between 10 and 30. Number 2. All the prime numbers between 31 and 50, 37, 41, 43, and 49. Between 31 and 50, all prime numbers between 31 and 50, 37, 41, 43, and 47. All the prime numbers that are also even numbers. All prime numbers that are also even number. There is only one answer. And the answer is 2. 2 is the only prime number that is also an even number. List all the factors of each of the following numbers. Then determine all the prime factors of each number. 20. The factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. 20 has 6 factors. 20 also has 2 prime factors, which are 2 and 5. Number 2, 15. 15 has 4 factors, which are 1, 3, 5, and 15. 15 has 2 prime factors, which are 3 and 5. Number 3, 27. 27 has 4 factors, which are 1, 3, 9, and 27. 27 has 1 prime factor, which is 3. Now, let's look at the factors again. 20 has 6 factors, which are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. 20 has 2 prime factors, which are 2 and 5. 15. 15 has 4 factors, which are 1, 3, 5, and 15. 15 has 2 prime factors, which are 3 and 5. 27. 27 has 1 prime factor. It has 4 factors, which are 1, 3, 9, and 27. So the only prime factor is 3. Now let's look at 45 and 68. Let's list the factors of 45 and find the prime numbers, and also factors of 68 and identify or determine the prime factors. 45 has 6 factors, which are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, and 45. 45 has 2 prime factors, which are 3 and 5. 68 has 6 factors, which are 1, 2, 4, 17, 34, and 68. 68 has 2 prime factors, which are 2 and 17. Now let's write these numbers in exponential form. Let's try and see. 8. The factors are 2 times 2 times 2. 100. The factors are 10 times 10. 36. The factors are 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Number 4. 200. The factors are 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. Let's find out how to write these numbers in exponential form. Using exponents. 1. 8 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2. 2. 100 is equal to 10 times 10. 3. 36 is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. 4. 200 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. Alright, 8, 2 times 2 times 2 will be 8 is equal to 2 cubed, or 2 raised to the power 3, or 2 exponent 3. 100 is equal to 10 times 10, so 100 will be equal to 10 squared, or 10 raised to the power 2. 36 is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So 36 is equal to 2 exponent 2 times 3 exponent 2. 200 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. So 2 exponent 3 times 5 exponent 2. How to write these numbers in exponential form? 8 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2. So 8 is equal to 2 cubed. 2 cubed. Number 2. 100 is equal to 10 times 10. Therefore, 100 will be equal to 10 squared. 10 squared, or 10 exponent 2. Or another way is 10 raised to the power 2. Number 3. 36 is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. 36 is equal to 2 raised to the power 2 times 3 raised to the power 2. Number 4. 200 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. 200 is equal to 2 to the power 3 times 5 to the power 2. Alright,